only going away for 9 days in the van, and this is what we need to pack.
Hi everybody, welcome to our van. Just thought we'd give you a quick tour while we're away in Wales. So here it is. So where should we start first? So we'll quickly mention the front of the cab. We've got some storage space underneath which Pete will show you later. We've created a little washing line to hang our tea towel up when it's a little bit damp and get the airflow going, and then it soon dries. So this is how we keep the light out on a night time. So it's a screen that it's got like an insulation board. We then have a clip there, and this is actually painted with blackboard paint, so it is actually like a chalkboard. Obviously it's worn off a little bit, so we just leave each other little messages which we think is cute. So this is our sort of this is our like sort of kitchen area. So we've got stove with 2 bits, a grill, which is very good. Obviously it's connected to the gas which is under here. It's not particularly tidy at the moment. So we've got like a bin in here, we've got the gas bottle at the back there, candles and coffee, cutlery and stuff, and then here we've got our domestic fridge, and then there's the solar system at the back which Pete will show you later. Not a lot in here at the moment, some sort of pork steaks, milk, things like that. And then pushes back underneath there, and here we've got some tin food, bread, we've got our water, keep water in sort of plastic bottles, and we've got the like plates, cups, kettle, things like that. So that's that. And then here we've got our charging points, well the lights, the LED lights, which we'll show you properly later because that can't really see it very well, but then we can charge our watches, GoPro, the phones, things like that. And so here's our seating area. So under each of the bins, what we call them bins, but the storage area, so inside this one we've got like the shower, our clothes, water. Under these 2 during the day there's bedding, on the night time we keep the cushions, and then this table then becomes the base here, and we've got another cushion bit underneath here, and that becomes the bed. And then should we take you out to the back where the bikes are? So being triathletes, we needed a good, well we devised a way, we looked at a few videos. A lot of people have their bikes where the wheels are off and they go underneath and then the bed's much higher. We didn't really want that, we wanted something at the back, and it's actually a very quite small space. Sometimes it obstructs your views a little bit if you're sitting there, but Peter created these little hooks, so you take the wheels off and then you attach it there, and then we've got the bungee cord just keeping it to the back, and then we take the front wheels off, put them in the cases. We've got the bike pump there. They're a little bit dirty at the moment because we're cycling at Bolton, but yeah, there's still a couple of bits of work to do. We've still got to change cover the back the back doors and the slider doors, but other than that, that's our van. I'm going to show you how our camping shower works in the van. So firstly we bought this, as you can see it's a very small sort of camping shower. It sort of condenses down, sits in there, and then this is what it looks like. It's full with water, we've pumped it with air, and then the air pressure pumps it down through the spout. And then we've made this sort of shower curtain. So firstly we've got a tray, which I'll show you in a second, to collect the water, and then Pete's made this frame. We've put 2 shower curtains around it, and then Peter's going to show you by getting it. So. So I would then fold it up. My job's to hold it up here, and it's just hanging on the other side for the wardrobe doors. And then I would just pump it here at the side, and then Peter presses it. It's got a good spray on it. I think when the shower's full it probably sprays for about 4 minutes. So obviously you won't be spraying it the whole time. You'd wet yourself and then lather up and then rinse yourself off. And then I will show you with my camera phone that we're collecting it at the bottom with a tray. Tray collects it all at the bottom. And Pete's there enjoying his nice warm shower. Are you enjoying it, Pete?
Lovely.
And then all collected at the bottom, and then the shower curtain then it just sits in it afterwards. If you've liked our van sort of tour, then give us a big thumbs up. We've got a Vanlife video coming soon where we've been to Wales, and so stay tuned for that, coming shortly. Bye!